Greetings, beloved beings of light. It is June 18th, 2023. Happy new moon in Gemini and happy Father's Day to all our divine masculine papas all over this realm. I am Paul White Gold Eagle with PrimeDisclosure.com. This is a very special transmission today. If you have been online at all today, I'm sure you have seen this amazing, beautiful anomaly on the Schumann charts today. We have massive higher frequencies coming in. We have a trinity of activations. This is symbolic of the love waves coming in. These are creation codes, divine mother goddess energy flowing in. And you could see these higher frequencies of cymatics as we are raising the resonance of Mother Earth, of this realm, of this dimension to 5D and beyond. We have 7th, 9th, and 12th dimensional energies coming in and merging with 3, 4, and 5D to bring this great shift of the ages to its final culmination and this quantum leap of consciousness into Homo Luminous. You could see a major blast, 185 hertz. This is some of the highest resonance we've witnessed in this timeline as we're jumping this timeline, merging timelines into this final ascension, great awakening timeline of 5D and beyond. Over here at disclosurenews.it, you could see the charts. We'll scroll down here, and we've had this extended resonance of 190 hertz. This is unprecedented. This is another sign, symbol, synchronicity of this great shift that we're in, this great awakening, this shift of the ages into the new golden age of eternal life. You could see these patterns, these fractal codes, beautiful patterns of higher resonance, higher vibration. This is higher cymatic frequencies of the new earth frequency coming in, and this is synchronicities of these new codes coming in. These are creation codes, love codes, the Christos Sophia codes, the Christos Sophia consciousness, Buddha consciousness. So if you follow the Schumann resonance at all, you will see that this is a true anomaly. I was trying to scroll down here to see this is what the charts normally look like here, and these white blasts are the higher resonance, higher frequencies, and this is the normal codes coming in. This is the whole month of December 2022. Here's January 2023. As you can see, the close-up here in these patterns and frequencies, resonance. This is sacred geometry, the flower of life, the lotus flower, codes of creation, the trinity codes of divine resonance frequency. So we have 182, 185, and then 190. This was after 24 hours of blackout. From the void comes these new creation codes. This is the Genesis code. This is the crystalline 12-strand DNA and the 1 in the middle, creating the 13 of the divine goddess, the divine mother, the divine feminine. The eagle flies with the condor. Shakti dances with Shiva. This is the merging of the yin with the yang, the holy waters with the holy fire, coming together in divine union, unity consciousness. We say Buddha mind or Christ consciousness, God consciousness. You'll see Mother Earth, Pachamama, receive 2 major activations in the last couple hours. We have the 6.3 magnitude earthquake at 20:30 UTC 2 hours ago. It's 6:18 PST time, where I'm anchoring in these codes here of the new earth. Right here, right on the Tropic of Cancer. You see in the sun, we're in the solstice gateway. What do we have? Wednesday, the 21st, is the 0 point of solstice. This is when the sun rises on the Tropic of Cancer. You know, the equator is the equinox, and then the winter solstice, and the Tropic of Capricorn. Up here in the north, it's the summer solstice here, this Wednesday, the 21st. So we're feeling these powerful energies of the solstice And today's new moon in Gemini, this is the twin flame codes, the Gemini codes of the twins, of the divine union, of the Heros Gamos. Then we had this other activation across the ocean here to south of South Africa. The other one was in Mexico, in the Baja California, between here. You can see, again, Tropic of Cancer. Then across the ocean here, we had about an hour ago, this was at 21:59 UTC. So the first 6:03, 20:30 UTC, and then 29 minutes, about a half hour after 59, down here south of South Africa, the South Atlantic, or this could be the Indian Ocean. It's where the Indian Ocean and South Atlantic come together, Southwest Indian Ridge. You can see here 48.69 latitude, 31 longitude. So a lot of powerful activations. You can see multiple 5.351 earthquakes, 89 and 1.5 or greater in the last 24 hours. And we're going to come over here to the sun. Space Weather Live. The earthquake was earthquaketrack.com. Over here on Space Weather, you can see we had this powerful M-class flare here. Let me zoom out a little bit. M2.52. Let's see here, 2.5 at 13:53 UTC, and then here was the M1.3. And we talked about in last night's transmission, 031 UTC. And then we had several C-class flares. This 333 code, 3336, 369 of Nikola Tesla code, spaceweather.com, Earth-directed solar flare, unstable sunspot, AR 3335, exploded today, producing, that was the M2.5 class flare, and a minor shortwave radio blackout over the Atlantic Ocean. The explosion lasted long enough to lift a CME out of the sun's atmosphere. This is a coronal mass ejection. Unstable sunspot. What are the odds of looking at the sun and catching a sunspot in mid-flare? Actually, the odds are pretty good when the sunspot is AR 3335. The active region has an unstable beta-gamma magnetic field that is teetering on the edge of an eruption. So this could possibly be this X-class Carrington-type flare to usher in the full event. We are in the event energies. We talked about these in our last several transmissions, about these event energies coming in. These are multiple events. We are the event. We're holding the codes and the keys within our 12-strand crystalline DNA of the code of the 144. Today is Keen 137, red resonant earth. So this is the code 37 into the 73, our new heaven upon the new earth. The golden angle, 137.5 degrees, happens when you break up a circle so that the ratio of the big arc to the little arc is the golden ratio. It's like taking the line definition of the golden ratio and wrapping it into a circle. Green is to red as red is to blue. The resulting angle is the golden angle. And if you do the math, you find that the angle is about equal to 137.5 degrees. So we'll take a look at a few of these images. The images of the spiral. Everything in nature spirals. 137.5. Keen 137, turning point in space and time. This today is a turning point in the evolution of consciousness, the flowering of human consciousness. You can see the spirals in architecture, the spiral of a hurricane, the spiral of the flower, the spiral of life, of the shell, of a galaxy here, of the human hand. Mona Lisa painting. 33, divine code of divine mastery, alpha into omega, the beginning and the end. This is the 0 point energy as we merge the emptiness with form and form with emptiness here. 713, 73, code of our new earth. 37 into 73. Here's a fractal scale map. The Mayan calendar, the birth of Venus, the evolution of human consciousness. The code of 13. There we have the 13 code, again of a Baktun. 137.5, here's the spiral within the core of a sunflower. Golden angle here. This is the flower of life, the flower of eternity. Now here's a new crop circle that appeared today in Wiltshire, UK again, and you could see the cymatic waves, the sine waves coming off of this trinity, this trident here. The fleur de lis, this is the Trinity code, the two into the third, the duality into the unity consciousness of, you see, everything expands as a sphere and contracts as a square into 0 point. We say the still white magnetic light at the center of all things. This is from crop circles, UFOs, from Stonehenge dronescapes, these images, and then we'll look at a video, then we'll wrap this up. So we feel into the energy of this powerful crop circle. 144 coming in, 434. So really feel into the Trinity. This is the threefold flame within your sacred heart center, as we are being lit up and activated, rising up through the Katika channel, the Sushumna. This is the Kundalini energy rising as the crown is activated and the hood above the halo opens up. And this is the sainting, this is enlightenment of Buddha mind, realizing your true nature that is one with all things, is one with Source. It is the Creator within the creation, and the creation within the Creator, the one in the many, and the many in the one. Through unity consciousness, we realize that we are all one true light, the unborn mind of Buddha, our eternal sacred self, our spiritual essence, having a human experience in this now, this beautiful experience of awakening from the dream into the real, into truth. The fountain of truth has been activated within your soul, within your living heart, the heart of the Christos Sophia, divine union of the divine masculine and the divine feminine, in this now, in this now, in this now. 1, 2, 3. Really feel the vibration, the resonance of the cymatics, of the pure light, of the love codes coming in. These are the creation codes, the codes of truth, the codes of unity, the codes of beauty. So we'll end this with this beautiful image again. Have a most beautiful, blessed day on this most sacred Sunday. If you'd like to support our work and mission, help us continue putting out videos like this and our daily transmissions, you can make a monthly pledge or donation at our website, egolovecondor.com. Thank you all very much for all your support over these years. This is it, beloved beings of light. We are the event, and the event is now. This is the great unfolding, the great awakening, the expansion into the infinite, from the finite into the infinite. Emptiness is form, form is emptiness. Gate, gate, paragate, parasamgate, bodhisvaha. The eagle and the condor love you all. Namaste.